Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga din sa ating mga Marian organizations na nandito ngayong umaga, lalong-lalo na ang COL, ang members ng Peña Francia Prayer Committee o Prayer Group, and especially the Family Rosary Crusade. Palakpakan natin sila. Alam niyo ba kung bakit kayo crusade? Dahil kayo ay lumalaban. Pero hindi kayo lumalaban gamit ang sandata o kung ano-ano man. Baril o espada. Ang inyong sandata ay ang Santo Rosario. Kaya kayo Family Rosary Crusade. Alam niyo po, when I was in 4th year theology, our schedule is rather more relaxed and free. And so I have finished my thesis ahead of time, and so I only had a few courses and comprehensive exams, less pressure before. That's why every afternoon before, I would really devote and make time for walking and strolling inside the Ateneo campus. So ang ganda ng lugar, ang laki ng pwedeng lakaran, fresh pa ang hangin at parang wala ka sa Maynila. However, at some point, I really got bored. Nakakasawa din pala pag paulit-ulit. And so one time, sabi ko, what if magdasal kaya ako ng rosary habang naglalakad? Ginagawa ko kasi dati, nagsa-sightseeing lang ako. Tingin-tingin sa kung saan-saan. What if mag-rosary ako habang naglalakad? Kasi madalas ko lang yung nakikita dun sa mga matatandang pare, no? Yung mga naglalakad tapos yung rosary nasa likod, no? Tapos kukuba-kuba pa yung mga matatandang pare dati na nakikita ko. At simula po noon, I would pray the rosary every day, especially while walking. And I would always carry a rosary or a rosary bracelet or a rosary ring with me. O, bag and pocket check tayo ngayon. Meron po ba kayong dalang rosary? Sana meron kayong dala. Ako, may rosary ring pa ako. O. Dear friends, we celebrate today the feast of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. At alam niyo po, sobrang dami nating matututunan sa Santo Rosario. Pero dalawang bagay lang po ang nais kong ibahagi sa inyo ngayon. First is that the Holy Rosary is not really about Mary. Tandaan niyo po yan, ha? Hindi lang tungkol kay Maria ang rosaryo. Si Father J.M., meron ding rosary. But it's not really entirely about Mary. It is about Jesus. Nagulat po ba kayo? Father, sa rosary naman, isa lang ang Our Father, isa lang ang Glory Be, 10 ang Hail Mary. Minsan nga nagdadasal pa po kami, 2,000 Hail Mary. Bakit po tungkol kay Jesus? Since the beginning of Mary's participation in the history of salvation, isa po palagi ang tungkulin niya. Yun ay ilapit tayong lahat sa kanyang anak na si Jesus. Never po na ilapit tayo sa kanyang sarili lamang. Mary's role is to always carry and accompany us towards Jesus. And so kung mapansin po ninyo, in the Holy Rosary, we journey and reflect with the life of Jesus mula joyful mysteries, the Annunciation, hanggang sa birth of Jesus, hanggang sa nanawala siya sa templo, medyo bata na siya niyan, hanggang sa sorrowful mysteries, agony in the garden, hanggang crucifixion. At hindi lang doon natapos. Meron pang glorious mystery na inuumpisahan ng resurrection. At dahil kay Pope John Paul, nadagdagan pa tayo ng luminous mysteries talking all about the life of Jesus. And so the Holy Rosary is about Jesus and how we can journey with Him in His life. Secondly, and my last point, Father, minsan nagsasawa kami kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung aming ginagawa. But you see, there is beauty in repetition. And that's precisely the point. Paulit-ulit. We need repetition in order to learn, to deepen our understanding, and widen our faith about Jesus and Mary. Kaya nga po paulit-ulit ang mga nursery rhymes, di ba? Yung mga may apo at may mga anak na bata, ang madalas yung pinapapanood, yung Cocomelon. Bakit? Kasi paulit-ulit yung kanta doon. At pakinggan nyo lang ng isang beses, buong araw na magre-replay sa inyong isip. Why? It's because there is repetition. Kailangan nating matuto, kailangan palaging pinapaalala sa atin. And in the same way, the Holy Rosary is a repetition so that we can better learn and understand the beauty of our Catholic faith. That's why, if you still don't have your rosaries, get one. You might be missing a lot. Amen.